Good day, everybody. For our series of interview today, we have Jason Bear, president of Bear International, and a great expert of restaurants and food service evaluations. Hi, Jason.
Hey, Antonio.
Great. So let's dive into our first question. What's the first operational habit behind consistent customer experience at scale in high volume QSR?
Yeah, from my point of view, the biggest habit is relentless standardization with real-time coaching. In high volume QSR, consistency doesn't come from a great day. It comes from doing the basics the same way every shift in every store. That means clear standards, simple routines, and training that's built into daily operations, not a one-time event. I believe that if you want a consistent guest experience at scale, you need a system where the right behavior is easiest behavior, and leaders should reinforce that every day.
Well said. I agree with you. So for our second question, where do QSR brands lose customers most often? Ordering, waiting time, handoff, accuracy, or issue resolution?
It's a great question. If I had to pick one, I think it would be the accuracy once an order has been placed. Customers can forgive a short wait if the order is right and the experience feels under control. But one wrong item, a missing sauce, cold French fries, or a messed up customization really breaks the trust fast from my point of view, especially when it comes to delivery or takeout, where fixing it is truly a hassle. We've seen that this is where operational issues show up. Typically, it would be an unclear labeling, it would be a rushed assembly, or an incorrect final check. So, from my point of view, that single moment protects loyalty more than most people truly realize.
Yeah, and Bear can come in hand with our solutions with this.
Absolutely.
Okay, time to wrap up with the last question. So where can AI really improve QSR CX today? Speed, accuracy, forecasting, service recovery, without making it impersonal.
I knew you were going to have an AI question for me. That's great. AI is the future, right? So, from my point of view, I believe the smartest use of AI is behind the scenes, actually. Where the guest feels the benefit is more than just the technology. The biggest wins are in the forecasting and operations, where they can predict demand, they can predict the staffing accuracy and availability, which then will reduce bottlenecks and keep the prep alignment with the real traffic that's coming into the restaurant. That would improve the speed and product availability without changing the human experience. AI can also support accuracy, for example, flagging common error patterns by day part or location and helping teams fix root causes. And lastly, from my point of view, service. AI can help route issues faster and personalize resolution without forcing customers through a robotic script. The key is simple, to use AI to remove friction and prevent problems, not to replace hospitality. Guests want faster, easier, and right, not automated, from my point of view.
Great answers, Jason. I think we really served high quality food for thought today to our listeners. So thank you for joining today and thank everybody for watching.
My
Bye.
pleasure. Thanks for having me today. Appreciate it.